Hey you guys, it's me, Dean. I am going to be showing you guys
Look, you guys, look at the hurricane. Oh my
the
goodness.
after effect of Hurricane Irma
Oh my
with our
god.
apartment and with my
There's a
parents'
wind.
house. The backyard is like
Oh my god.
disasters. Like, wow. It's like they got to start back again, replanting some plants again.
Oh.
Please don't mind me. My eyes so watering.
Oh
This
my god.
AC is like so strong in my face. I'm in the car. I've been watching so many videos, so much on how to improve myself on this YouTube. You guys, I am trying my best.
Well,
you know,
you don't have it.
my uploading takes a
Oh,
long
you don't have
process.
it. Fine, do
I
open
think that's
that.
the only issue I have. I have videos that I
Like,
did
what
and
is
I have not posted them because I know they take forever to load, but I need to work on that a lot.
Yeah. Let it allow me.
A lot, you
It's
guys.
over here.
Yeah, I want you
I
guys
have
to
to do
see
her.
the how the hurricane just passed through,
See,
and
this is where everybody's
it's
trying to
just
block
amazing
it. You
how
cannot block
powerful
it.
the wind can be and the effect that it can do. And I might be speaking another language in the video. Please don't mind me. Um,
The block. Machine for
so I
Portugal.
hope you guys enjoy what you
Wow.
see.
That's
Hopefully everything
crazy.
will get back to normal. Yeah.
Finally,
So
they got
later, enjoy the video and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing my best to upload, and hopefully I get much better.
oh, this is
And
crazy.
don't mind, I'm in the front. The sunlight is right in my face, you guys. So yeah, subscribe and comment below. It's very nice to read your comments and everything. Thumbs up if you like the video. And see you guys on the next video I will be posting
Huh?
after this. Bye, you guys.
Oh my god. No, they block.
Essa ti baixar na bateu dali. Ti sa se chute oui.
Oh no, piba.
Ni ko ngade atin.
Eh, kalau benci. That's crazy. Tanda di, mahing sa pakai cok lapase.
Ui, nó bay đi bò đi về ngon ha.
What? Look at this cord.
Cái bay hai quân bay cũng rồi tú.
Oh my god.
Ko ta ko tu ga no go po tu ni sa ni ba ki sa mai no.
Bò có tê lê ta.
Oh
Ko
my
na
god.
buat sa si.
Look at that.
Rồi. Bay hai bay hình nữa. Làm bay kia.
Be careful now. Be careful.
Si tu dah situ je game nak.
Wow, my mango tree. Ooh. Mga day, ah. Where is it a day, ah? Oh my. Eu semblei sama, mais vou botar lá, il va tomber. Non, eu tombei, eu semblei ensemble, ouais. Pas une terre. Non, yo tombe, regarde tombe, ça pas bon. Oh my God. Mais il manque tomber, mamie.
Il n'a pas de temps,
Et puis, il a toujours tombé.
il a apprécié.
My goodness, adjadi ya. Oh my goodness. Oh mais pas mal. On seul figue la tomber, oui. Et figue ça va pas tomber. Hein? Regardez pareil, mais cassé la dit, tu es là. Ah ben, il dit qu'on gros plywood, oui.
Ouais, oui, c'est pas ça, oui. C'est vraiment.
De pareil qui ça?
Porte là. Il pousse là, oui. Il va pousser beaucoup là.
Vent.
Beaucoup là, oui.
Oui, ami.
Il a trop lourd.
Non mais vent, ami. On va voir,
Pas big la mon. Où est Rango?
mais ça, pour pas courir l'autre ça là. Avec le clé, oui. Après ça, vous regardez à l'arrêt de jump. Oh my God.
Yeah. Very clean by you, friend. On va faire photo tout. On va faire les barres.
Oh, nous manquons ma vidéotape.
Mais oui, mais.
On va faire une belle vidéo.
Bon, regardez, bon. Alors, qui ça nous a dit dans ça? Parce que ça, c'est un gros cause lié. Et vous parlez non même. Parce que là, on fait vidéo. Il faut parler sur vidéo.
On va parler là dans le
Faut-
cadre.